Have you ever wondered what would really happen if you never restarted your Windows PC? Not for a day, not for a week, but for an entire month. Would it keep running just fine or slowly fall apart piece by piece? Let's find out. In week one, everything feels normal. Apps open quickly. You are streaming, browsing, multitasking. Your PC seems just fine. But underneath the surface, background processes are piling up, memory usage is slowly creeping higher, temporary files are quietly stacking like a digital dust. No warning signs yet. By week 2, the crack begins to show. Your browser takes a bit longer to open, the start menu lags, alt tab not as snappy. RAM is 80% full and climbing. The spins louder more often. The system is getting tired. And in week 3, now it gets serious. Explorer crashes once, then again. System tray icons disappear. App freeze randomly, especially the ones running in the background. You're still online, still working, but everything feels heavier. The system is groaning. And in the final stretch, week 4, even the simplest task becomes frustrating. Clicking the start button takes 10 seconds. Typing has a delay. Your mouse stutters. It hasn't crashed, but your PC is now a digital zombie, technically alive, barely usable. So, what really happens if you never restart your PC for 30 days? You won't see a dramatic blue screen, but performance, it fades slowly and painfully. Memory leaks grow, system resources choke, your machine becomes sluggish and glitchy. And all of it could be fixed with one simple action: restart. So, when was the last time you restarted? If you like this tutorial, please hit the like and subscribe, and do let me know in the comment section when was the last time you restarted. Have a wonderful day. Take care.